Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today this video is a little bit different. I just decided to do it. I don't really know if I'm going to regret it or not, but here is my most recent pickup videos. I've been a little bit quiet on YouTube recently, but that doesn't mean I haven't stopped buying shoes. So as you can see, I have purchased a lot of shoes over the last month or so, and this is just going to be an unboxing. It's not going to be that much of a review. I'm just going to show you what I picked up over the last couple of weeks. So hopefully you enjoy this video. So which should we start with? Let's start with this side. I'll move these a bit more to the side. Don't fall off, please. So I'll start with this one up here. So this is obviously not for me, but this is because of Sneakers app. So I couldn't purchase the adult pair because it's impossible to get them on the app. So I decided to purchase toddler pair instead. So I just kind of entered every single raffle, and this is the pair that I came out with. Can't really do much with it, can't resell it, can't do anything. So it's just quite a cool accessory to have around the house, so I will probably put it on display at some point and then maybe give it to my kid when I have one, if I have one. But it's just quite a cool little collector's item, and I'm pretty happy that I picked up, and it looks really cool. Really big fan of the Jordan 1 tie-dye. So that's the first purchase. The second purchase is this one. Obviously this is another kid's shoe, and this is bought because of exactly the same reason. I tried to get the adult pair and didn't get any luck, so I compromised and decided to buy the kids one. And I completely regret this because I don't like the shoe and I can't resell it, I can't do anything with it. So I probably will just give it away at some point, just because I don't ever need it and I don't like it at all. This is the Cactus Jack 270. The adult one's okay, but the kids ones, they're just not the same. Not the same materials, not the same kind of look for me, and it's not. I'm not a big fan of it. This is not a shoe that I would even just put on display. So that's the first two disappointments out the way, and now we'll move on to this pair. So this technically isn't a sneaker, but I thought I'd show you anyway because I picked it up recently. But I play a lot of football, soccer, or whatever you would call it. And these are my pair that I've chosen for next season. This is the Nike Mercurial Vapor, and it is in the Terra colorway, I think. It is a kind of like a gold metallic sand color. Really, really nice colorway in my opinion, and I'm excited to wear these next season. They are a little bit tight, so I have put a shoe tree in them just to stretch them out a bit, but I like my boots like that, so this is the first proper adult pickup, I guess. So onto the first shoe, and you actually have seen this shoe before. This was purchased for a test, or sent to me before a test, and this is the Jordan 1 Satin Black Toe. This is the replica pair. I just wanted to show you that I do actually get sent fake pairs as well as the retail ones. So I do get a lot of shoes coming in on a monthly basis. So I don't know if you want to see this more regularly, just see what shoes I get in each month, so I can make this kind of like a series of the pickups for the month. But just wanted to show you, this is the Jordan 1 Satin Black Toe in a replica form. I do have the retail one, which I'll show you, but I have done a comparison video on this up here, so you can check that out. But yeah, I do get sent quite a number of shoes in the mail. So here we have our first retail pair of Jordan 1s that I picked up, and as you can tell, picked up quite a few Jordan 1s over the last few weeks. This one here is, we come out of the box, the Royal Toe. This is the Jordan 1 Royal Toe, and I actually think it's a really, really nice colour. This was purchased in a size 8.5 UK, so I can fit into it. It's a little bit tight, but not too bad. But these aren't actually for me. I am working with a company very soon, and this pair will be given away. So stay tuned to the Instagram and the YouTube, and you could win yourself this pair. Exactly, dead stock pair of Jordan 1 Royals. So technically that's the first pickup, but it's not for me. So that's for one of you guys. So final pair on this side is the Nike SB Dunks. As you can see, do you know what colorway it is just by the box? Open it up. This is the Nike SB Dunk in the laser orange colorway, and I have no idea why it's called the laser orange, because in my opinion it's more yellow and purple than an orange, but it's quite a nice colorway. I would say they should have called it the Lakers colorway if they're allowed to do that, but it is a very nice clean colorway. Unfortunately, I don't think I'll be able to wear it just because it would get ruined here in the UK because we don't really get a summer, and I would say this is a pretty summery shoe. That's the only issue, so I probably will sell this at some point. But that is the Nike SB Laser Orange. This is a size 9, and yeah, nothing too much more interesting about the shoe. Haven't really done a review on that. I think I did a test though. But yeah, nice clean colorway, dead stock, never worn it. Move that to the side, and now we'll move on to, in my opinion, the more exciting side. So first one, I paid resale for this one. However, I was a little disappointed as the lid, as you can see, it's slightly broken there, so I can't really do anything with this other than wear them, and it's not even my favorite colorway. So this is the Court Purple, and it's a nice shoe. I really like how the tongue is white and the toe is white. That's probably my favourite part of the Jordan 1s, as long as they come with white laces, which these don't, which is quite annoying. They come with a spare pair of light purple or lilac laces. Purple is just not really my colour, so that's the only unfortunate thing about these. It is a really nice shoe, but I just never wear purple, so I can't really wear these with anything. But I do think the price will go up for these, so that's why I decided to purchase them for just a little over retail, so not too bad. And they're size UK 9 as well, so pretty good size, but just a shame about the lid. This is probably my most favourite pickup of the month. I did pay resale for this, but it really wasn't high at the time when I did it. And these are a retail pair, obviously, and it is the Jordan 1 tie-dye in my size. So when I saw the kids one, I knew I had to get the adult version, and I decided to pull the trigger when the price was at a good price. Why have I said price so many times? But yeah, this is the first Jordan 1 that they've done with an actual tie-dye colour, and it really does bang in person. I don't know if that's going to come up on the camera, but these really do look nice. I haven't thought of a special occasion when I'm actually going to wear. I don't know if I'll wear them for like a 10k post when I hit 10k on YouTube. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It really does help the channel grow. It helps me get shoes just like this, and thank you so much for the support. But yeah, this is the Jordan 1 tie-dye. Once again, would have preferred if the toe had been white and the tongue had been white. That would have made this shoe look amazing. However, they didn't do that, so what can you do? But yeah, probably my favourite pickup of the entire month. But that's the Jordan 1 tie-dye, and that's a size UK 8.5 as well, but I'll squeeze. It'll be fine, I hope. Next is another Jordan 1, and you've seen this one before in my comparison, because this is just the retail pair of the Jordan 1 Satin Black Toe. So this is just a retail pair. This, just like the tie-dye one, is a full woman's colorway. However, because I don't have too big a feet, I can fit into them really, and it's pretty good, because I think the women's colorways are always better than the men's, but that's just my opinion. So this is probably my favourite Jordan of all time, so I'm pretty happy that I can fit into this. Just think it's got the classic colours, and the actual satin material is incredibly nice going around the heel. So big fan of these, pretty happy with that pickup, and I did pay quite a bit for them. So this one here is quite a special release. I can't actually show you what it is just yet, just because it hasn't released yet, and I do have a video specifically for this pair. However, I will give you a small teaser, so judging by that, you can see what the shoes are, and I do have a video coming for these very soon. The last pickup of the month, and I just did a video on these, is the Yeezy Quantum Bariums. I paid resale for these, but it was only just a little bit over again, just because they dropped in price so much. They were incredibly hard to get off Adidas, but luckily I have a nice person who sent me these for just a little bit over retail. So I'm really happy with this pickup. It is something different from Yeezy. I know they did come up with the OG colorway, but this is a really nice color in person. It's like an olive green. Pretty happy with this pickup. Don't know if it's going to be a daily wear. I did go true to size on this, which is actually different to my Yeezy size, and they fit really well, so I would recommend doing that. But yeah, this was just a short review of pretty much every shoe that I've picked up over the last month. I have quite a lot of videos coming out soon. Please subscribe, please like the video, it really does help the channel grow, and actually comment down below if you liked videos like this, seeing what I've picked up over the last month. So if you do like it and do comment enough, I will start doing this on a monthly basis, because as you can see, I get quite a lot of shoes in every now and then, and I don't know if you want to see stuff like this, so if you could give me some feedback, that'd be great. But yeah, please stay tuned to the Instagram, and thank you very much for the support. I hope you have a great day.